Greenhouse Talk, we got a product review. Check this out. We had this outfit, LokiThor, contact us. Thought we might be interested in seeing how their jump starter worked. And wouldn't you know it, just so happens I've got a truck that's been sitting for over a year and I know the battery's dead. Let's see what we get with this. I opened this up already because I had to charge it up to do this. So I know we got a set of cables that'll plug into the charger itself. You got the cable with a USB-C and a USB-A. Plugs right into the charger and then into any wall outlet chargers, and you can just charge it up. Now they did tell me for a dead battery I wanted to charge this up. It's got a digital readout on there. We'll check that out when we hook it up to the car. But this thing's light. The LokiThor J400 is not only a high performance jump starter, it's a battery bank you can take with you on the road to charge all your devices. Or what happened here just the other day, when a tornado comes through and knocks out all the power, your devices can still be charged. And you also have this high performance flashlight. And it'll do the SOS. If you're out there on the road, you need to set this behind your car. That way people will know you're out there. This jump starter has an 8,000 milliampere internal capacity, but it also has a 2,000 amp 12 volt current. It's going to start most cars, and it'll hold that charge for up to 12 months. So once it's charged, you can just carry it with you. Now these folks tell me it'll do an 8-liter gas engine or a 6-liter diesel engine. I know this truck's been sitting for quite a while. Let's go out there and see if this will start it. No lights, no nothing, no clicking, no nothing. Now if there's bees in here, I'm going to go running. Well, doesn't seem to be. Now they've got this set up so you can't make a mistake. This will only go in one way. Turn it on. Well, let's hook it to the battery. And if you hook it up backwards, obviously the red goes to the positive, the black goes to the negative. But if you hook it up backwards, this thing will not work. And if you try to arc across it, if you try to get cute and bang these together and try to make a spark, it won't work. Red to positive. Black to negative. By this green means this is completely charged. The battery only has 1.2 volts. Let me see if it'll start. You've got to be kidding me. That is amazing. That is amazing. This thing has been sitting for over a year. That battery's been dead. I thought I was gonna have to do battery. And it still says it's got a full charge on it. I gotta call a neighbor, see if he's got a tractor that needs to be jumped. This is awesome. This really has been sitting here long enough. We got weeds growing up. This is amazing. I'm really glad that LokiThor asked me to review this product. Came at a really good time for me. And since we just had that tornado come through and people lost power, this would have been very handy. Keep the cell phone charged, keep the cameras charged. You may want to have something like this charged up to carry around in your car just for emergencies. I'm going to keep it with me. Till next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. There will be a discount code in the description box below. There's also going to be a link to my Amazon store.